All right, good morning, good evening, good night, whenever you guys are watching this channel. I made a video last week about the Crypto.com. I had $4,000 staked into the Crow account. It's Crypto.com. So I staked $4,000. And I told you guys I was going to upgrade. So I did upgrade on the 10th, November the 10th. So on my $4,000 that I had staked, it got up to about $9,000 within 6 months. So you got to stake it for 6 months. So I just staked $40,000. So I had to add an additional, I think, $31,000. And that was on November the 10th. And the day is the 13th. So I'm gonna open up my app and just let you look at what I'm looking at today. Today is the 13th. It's 3 days later after I've staked the $40,000. And you get 12%. I'm gonna show y'all the benefits. This is, well, if you wanna try it, but I'm trying to do things a little differently. I'm trying to make my money work for me instead of me working for money. But here we go, I'm gonna show you what I got here. So we're gonna open this Crypto.com, and I'm gonna put it on the screen here, either on the left or right, and so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm opening Crypto.com. And this thing, like I said, it's 365 days a year, 24 hours a day. They don't stop for holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas. They just keep going. So I'm gonna show you right here. You see this is my home page. I got $50,798. But I got some Dogecoin, Ethereum, Shiba, but most of my money is staked into that Crow, C-R-O, Crypto.com. So we're gonna go to my account. And where you see this crypto wallet, I'm gonna click on it, and right there, Crypto.com. So on November the 10th, I staked $40,000. If you look right up here today, it's worth $47,000. So in 3 days, I made $7,113. $133. So that's pretty awesome. In 3 days. So my $40,000 that I staked 3 days ago is worth $47,133. And I'm gonna go down here to the bottom. You probably see I staked CRO stake $112,990. That's a CRO. So you see that difference is a little difference right here. It says 46, but it's slowly updating. But I put $40,000 into that. And I'm gonna just show you the benefits of this thing. It's awesome. You see right here, I got 177 more days before I can unstake that $40,000. So maybe when I unstake there, I think 6 months from now, I'll be able to unstake this. And I can take my money. I hope it'll be up to 80,000, maybe 100,000. The way it's going, it's increased about $2,200 a day so far. But like I said, it's just taking a chance. And you can see there at the top how it's daily going up. Remember where it went down a little bit, but it fluctuates. But I'm gonna show you the benefits of this. We're gonna go back, and we're gonna hit the credit card over here on the right hand side. So we hit credit card, and we go up there to the top on the right. You see the credit card, click on it. That's what my credit card looked like. So I got the gold rose, I think that's what it is. You got to stake $40,000. So we're gonna go down and look at the details of this thing. This is what I like. So right there you get 5% back on card spending. So what you have to do, this is like a debit card. You put money in it and you use it. You may want to put $200 or $300 in it, and you can use it to go to whatever. If you go out and eat, and you get 5% back on purchasing food, and that's pretty good. Most of your credit card may give you 3%, but this thing giving you 5%. But this is what I like also. If with this debit credit card, I get 100% back on Spotify, Netflix, and Prime. So my Prime, Amazon Prime, all that stuff is free, and I've used it before on my $4,000 stake, but I didn't have the Prime. With the $40,000 stake, I have the Prime. You got airport lounge plus a guest and I like this right here, the 12% CRC stake rewards. So I get 12% every, well, 12% APR. So, and they give it to you every week. So you divide that 12 by 52, so 52 weeks. So every week, I will be receiving about, I say $100, maybe $120 every week. And this interest earned off that $40,000 I staked in there. So it's not staked. The interest I could take out at any time. So basically what I'll be receiving between $400 and $500 a month that I can transfer from my Crypto.com into my bank account. Plus they give you an extra 2%. It's crazy. I'm telling you, I've been doing this for about 6 to 8 months, and their customer service, you can't call nobody, but you send a message and they respond right away. I like it. I'm just saying, I'm using my money, I'm taking a chance stepping out there, and it seems to be working all right for me. And if you guys want to try this Crypto.com, you can use the link in the below, and we both get $25. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. I'm just showing you what's happening to me. I'm showing you my account. I'm not showing you something. I know a lot of people get on here and say buy this, buy that. No, this is live. This is actually what's going on. And you looking through here, it tells you all the benefits. No charge for purchase, no annual fees. It's metal, the little card is metal. You seeing what I see, and like I said, I've experienced this, and this is what's happening. So let's go back to the home page and see. I went down another $700-800. I don't know. This thing just fluctuates back and forth. We're gonna go to my account. It's up. Let me see what's gonna happen. It went down a little bit. So if I go to my Crow account, so right now it's $46,986. So my $40,000 have increased to almost $7,000 in less than 3 days. Well, in 3 days. As you can see, it's jumping back and forth. Like it refreshes itself probably every 5 or 6 seconds. So this is what my account looks like today after staking that $40,000. So I'll make another one about 6 months from now and just show you, see what this, I hope it's $100,000 by then. Hell, I hope it's $1 million. But anyway, if you guys want to sign up for this, and you don't have to stake no $40,000, just stake $400 or whatever you got. Just throw it out there, and whatever you can afford, let it run. If you can hold it there for 6 months, it's better. You know, we spend a lot of money just throwing away, eating out. So I'm gonna just take a chance and see what happens. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you, and have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, turn on your notifications, and share this video. Also leave comments. Thanks for watching. Welding and stuff.